right, this tree, I built a zip line up here 2 or 3 years ago, and this tree's too close to it. The kids may hit it, so I'm gonna cut this tree down. It's gonna fall right down that way. I notched it on this side for a hinge so it can fall. And I'm gonna cut on the other side and put a wedge and wedge it in that direction.